this one.
The coronavirus, COVID-19 era continue to change our lives. Physically distanced and face masks are still the norm. People are exploring new ways of surviving and making a living. Lifestyles have changed. People have had to adapt to a new way of living. During the pandemic of 2020 and 2021, after weathering months of stay-at-home self-quarantine, two free-spirited, liberal-minded souls, Hawkeye and Jeannie, are second-generation hippies and are aging baby boomers who are still out and having fun. Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie on their journey in a van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? How are people surviving? Then report back to you with these videos. This is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the staff narrator. Episode 67 is about social media influencers, Hawkeye and Jeannie, who have been traveling around the country and at the most north and west part the contiguous United States known as Cape Flattery. It is in Clallam County, Washington on the Olympic Peninsula, where the Strait of Juan de Fuca joins the Pacific Ocean. It is also part of the Maka Reservation and is the northern boundary of the Olympic Coast National Marine Sanctuary. Cape Flattery can be reached from a short hike, most of which is boardwalked. Maka Bay and Knee Bay are on either side of the cape. Knee Bay, Washington is the closest town to the cape. Cape Flattery is the oldest permanently named feature in Washington state, being described and named by James Cook on March 22, 1778. Cook wrote, "There appeared to be a small opening which flattered us with the hopes of finding a harbor. On this account I called the point of land to the north of it Cape Flattery." End quote. At the time this recording was made, a new search was in the making and the Maka Reservation was off limits to anyone not on their resident list. Vaccine or no vaccine. So, Hawkeye and Jeannie had to turn around. They ended up boondocking at Knee Bay for 3 days on the beach between mile markers 5 and 6. It is obviously a popular party place.
Yeah, we're right on the side here of State Route 112. Yeah, we'll probably hang out here as long as supplies and the porta potty stays good, you know. Well, we're near Knee Bay, which is approximately 7 miles from Cape Flattery. Cape Flattery, the most northwest of Washington State, northwest corner I meant to say. And there, over across the water, that is Canada. Now we wanted to go into Canada to check them out and see how they're doing, but I'm told they're only like 23% vaccinated, while here we're almost 70% vaccinated. Today is July 8th, 2021. And I got some trucks going by. I got some road construction. Okay, that'll probably be the fire pit. And we got our chairs set up. There's Duke. And we hope to spend a couple days here. That guy's going to be here a while. He's got about 4 cords of wood sitting there. His name's Lenny, and his friend's name's Diana. And I'm Norman. Seem to be very nice people. A good day, everybody. Just wanted to document, not the graffiti on the bridge here, but there we go. A good Phyiscal plug there. This is a very nice beach. It's 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 a very nice beach He's delivering goods to a very remote area of the United States. Today's, yeah, okay, the timestamp is correct on the video. This is an estuary. Hey Google, what is an estuary?
Estuary.
According to Wikipedia, an estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or streams flowing into it, and with a free connection to the open sea. Estuaries form a transition zone between river environments and maritime environments and are an example of an ecotone.
Ecotone.
Wow. Was that on the test?
I wouldn't have said it quite that way, but...
Top of that rock. I think he's looking for something to eat. Tried to use a telescopic lens and hand hold the camera and hold it steady. It's next to impossible. Kept trying to move closer. I guess I eventually got too close. It just flies away. Yeah, we just got to document this divine event here.
Oh my God, I agree.
I mean, this thing's been going for hours now. It hasn't boiled, but it's still got a flame. We got a flame here. All right.
Unbelievable.
The water's not boiling, but it was a partial canister when we plugged it in. Okay, well, all right. Not a crisis.
Thank you.
But this, look at the way the tank's laying here. Now we usually do it up the other way, like this.
So how long was it gone?
So that's the way it's usually supposed to be.
Knee Bay is a census-designated place, CDP, on the Maka Reservation in Clallam County, Washington, United States. The population was 865 at the 2010 census. It is across the Canada-US border from British Columbia. Originally called Scarborough Harbor in honor of Captain James Scarborough of the Hudson's Bay Company, it was changed to Knee in 1847 by Captain Henry Kellett. Kellett spelled it Nia Bay. The name Knee refers to the Maka chief Dia, pronounced Knee in the Clallam language. During the summer months, Knee Bay is a popular fishing area for sports fishermen. Another attraction is the Maka Museum. Many people also visit to hike the Cape Trail or camp at Hobuck Beach. An emergency response tug is stationed at Knee Bay, which has saved 41 vessels since its introduction in 1999.
Yeah, here we are in north by northwest corner of the continental contiguous United States. Before sunset. Gotta chop some wood. Play some guitar. Jeannie and I, man, we already finished a bottle of tequila, so yeah, she went to bed and I'm gonna go play some guitar after I get the fire going.
Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that they are somewhat interesting. Our goal is to show people, places, and events that you may not normally get to see, hear, and how the COVID-19 pandemic may have affected them. Our videos are amateur, unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's travels. Please share our video with others. Please click the like or the thumbs up icon. We need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized by YouTube. Click on the round icon to subscribe and be notified when future episodes are available. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1. I am Delmer, the staff narrator. Have a beautiful day.
out on that. Waiting a while. My woman's sitting home with a big old dang. I was gonna take a rope and hang it. High from the highest tree. Woman, why don't you do I was just sitting around drinking with the rest of the guys. Drunk. I bought 5. I spent most of the groceries. About $100. Take the road and don't stop. High from the highest tree. Woman, why ain't you weeping for me? Oh, what's that guy? Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, you know, roses are red, violets purple, sugar sweet, so is maple syrup. I am the 7th son. My father was Phyiscal, and now I'm a son of a gun. Dang it. Dang it. I'll take rope and hang it. High from the highest tree. Woman, why aren't you weeping for me? Whoop, 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 whoop. That's spelled W-O-O-D. I really ain't all that bad, man. Yeah, maybe it was the camera.